Hey, Tim's Workshop here. Hey, today I'm going to make a pitch on a carburetor cleaner. I saw somebody on YouTube that was mixing all kinds of different chemicals. This is an all-in-one dip tank for carburetors. It also, you can put small parts in there too. There's a warning on the back though to make sure you remove any plastic parts. So if you have like a small carburetor for like off a weed eater or a chainsaw that has plastic on it, you know, either take it off or don't put it in this kind of deal. Use just regular carb cleaner, you know, the spray can kind. But this works really good like on outboard carburetors that don't have plastic parts on them. It works really good. So here's a dip basket, right? You disassemble your carburetor, put the parts in here. I wouldn't put the float in there. It's plastic. But you know, your jets, everything else, you know, you want to clean if there's good, and get all the crud off. It also eats corrosion too, according to the directions on it. This is called Chem Dip by Berryman, and I'll read you the information on the back here. It says Berryman Chem Dip is a highly effective carburetor and parts cleaner that removes most varnish, residue and deposits from carburetors and other metal parts in 15 to 30 minutes without agitation. Carbon residue on valves, pistons, and other engine parts may require longer cleaning times. I don't know how you're going to... I guess you could put a piston in here, a small one. But... and then Chem Dip is safe to use with most metals and alloys. Limit soaking time of coated aluminum finishes to a maximum of 4 hours. Cast iron and other low alloy steel should be coated with penetrating oil after you're done soaking it in this product. And Berryman also has a product that you can put the clean car parts in that has this oil in it, and it's called Berryman Easy Does It. After rinsing to prevent flash rust. So cast iron parts, of course, you know, they'll start rusting immediately if you don't coat them with something. Okay. Do not spill on painted surfaces. Yep. Then also it says remove all rubber and plastic parts, like I brought up. Submerge parts to be clean in Chem Dip and allow them to soak for 15 to 30 minutes. Remove parts and rinse with water. Okay, so that's to stop the chemical reaction on this. So if you dip it in water, you immediately want to take it with an air gun and blow it dry. You don't want the water just sitting, especially in a carburetor. So blow it dry, and then I use my carb cleaner to just kind of go over it and hit all the little holes and stuff right after I use this. You probably don't have to, but I do, you know, because you have the nozzle on the carb cleaner aerosol can, and it gets into all those little ports real good. So you do that, and it says for exceptional carbon or corroded parts, allow a longer soaking time, and some brushing may be necessary to really get in there and scrub the parts. Rinse with water, and it goes over. Don't soak aluminum for over 4 hours again. So that's it. You know, it works really good. So disassemble your carburetor, put it in the basket, put it in there. I usually close the lid and let it soak for 30 minutes. Take them out. Tip it to the side to let it drip, get all the stuff out of there. And there you go. Rinse your parts, air blow it, and then get new gaskets, of course, and put everything back together. And look at your needles too on your carburetors. If they look damaged or worn, replace your high speed and low speed needles, whatever you have on your carburetor. All right, that could affect the performance of your fuel air ratio. All right, so I wanted to do this because this is really good. I got this at O'Reilly's. I don't know if you have a O'Reilly's auto parts place, but they carry it. It's a little pricey, but you could reuse it, you know, unless it gets gummy, you know, and then you have to go buy another one. But yeah, it works good, especially after you're done. You're rinsing it and hit, like I say, hit it with the carb cleaner too after you're done. All right, so there you go. So if you like the video, please subscribe. All right, thanks.